Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm Simon, this is Brett.
Hello, and this is Super, and he's waving.
And is he going to be sticking around for this video?
What's the video?
Well, we've decided that going forward we're going to do a few little fun things, like some challenges, we've done some magic, and we're going to do some sciencey experiments. So this one's a bit of a science experiment.
And then we'll prove one thing once and for all.
What?
You could never get a job as a scientist.
And didn't ever say I wanted to. Especially if you've got to do algebra.
You pretty much do algebra.
Who?
You.
I don't.
Okay, do you measure something involving inches, feet, meters, and centimeters?
Yeah.
You're pretty much doing algebra then.
No, because I don't go, oh, how long's that? And they go, well, it's 5A by 6B. Do I?
No, you go, oh, it's 5 cm by 4 cm.
Go away. Right, anyway.
See, I proved him wrong.
What we're actually going to be doing is making a kind of a lava lamp. Now, I actually tried this out yesterday with my son. So because there's a little bit of a long time to make...
How long?
Well, it took a little while because there's air bubbles that happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a lava lamp, but I'm going to demonstrate using the one we used yesterday, if that makes any sense.
Probably not.
No. Okay, but you'll understand in a minute.
Doesn't do English very well.
So what we need is we need a small bottle. So I've got an old
stagnant water.
No, that's fresh. I didn't just put water in it.
Shake it.
It's fresh.
It's not fizzy then.
It come out of a tap. When do you ever get fizzy water out of a tap? So you only need to fill about, it says about 1/3. So
is that bad?
I think so.
Wow, he can't even be a mathematician.
Go away. So it's about 1/3 of water here. Now what you do, you've got to stop wobbling the table now, because if this spills, it's going to get every flaming where.
Take cover.
Now what you've got to do is you add, it says 20 drops of food colouring. I recommend not using yellow though.
Why? Because
we're using oil in this, and yellow in oil wouldn't show up. So
wait,
20
is that oil?
drops. Not yet.
Well, what colour is that then?
Sugar. Hang on.
Oh. What have you done?
No, I put the watercolour in it, but it's got to be about 20 drops, but it's got to look... Hang on a minute, let me put a lid on.
Don't shake it.
Well, I want to try and mix in all the...
Is that streak in the in or the outside?
It's on the inside. Well, let me try and mix it in. It needs to be a bit darker than that.
Okay, let's put the entire thing in there.
This pot for food colouring is not that great, because you can't really do drops that easily.
Wait, do you think this is still in date?
What?
Food colouring?
I only just bought it. Right, I'll put that in. Let's see how that mixes. Hang on. That looks alright.
Does it?
Yeah, oh, that's lovely, that is. Better than yesterday's. Like, you'll see yesterday's.
We won't speak of that abomination ever again.
It looks alright. Might coloured the table now. Right,
hey,
next.
Is it now
food?
You need
cooking oil. Now, what we're going to do...
Oil.
Huh?
Oil.
What?
You need cooking oil.
Oil.
You said oil.
Shut up. What we decided to do was we're not using... we're not wasting oil. This is actually out of date. So we're just using out of date oil to save wasting some good stuff. Because obviously you're probably not going to keep this in your home for too long.
Unless you're him.
So now I'm going to put this tray underneath.
Because of... Oh yeah, so this tray has holes.
Only little ones. Right,
Still holes.
What you do is you use this cooking oil. Shut up. You use this cooking oil and you fill it until it's nearly at the top, but not quite. So we put all this cooking oil in.
And then watch it fizz.
Now as you see, oil and water does not mix, so the oil will stay at the top and the water will be at the bottom, along with the food colouring. Now the only problem is, because we're pouring this into here, you'll see all those air bubbles. Now it takes ages for those air bubbles to sort of dissipate. So I'm going to stop there because I went a bit further yesterday.
It doesn't look that bad, does it? The bubbles.
No.
It's like crystal.
But because of all these bubbles, you have to let it settle for a while. So
We'll put a lid on.
unfortunately, that's going to take a little while. But what we'll do is I'm going to demonstrate the next bit using the one that I made yesterday. So I put a lid on just in case it gets knocked. I don't want it all over my floor.
And I don't want it over my super bear.
I wouldn't worry about it, it's just that my wife would probably go mad at me. Right, so I'll bring in the one I made yesterday, and you can see I kind of overdid it with the food colouring. So it actually looks like the Coke that came out of the bottle in the first place. And the last thing you need is half of a fizzy tablet. So
Is
like
that
a
half?
Alka-Seltzer.
Wait, what would happen if you put in that one?
What?
That one?
What one? If I put it in that one?
Yeah.
Well, it kind of gets stuck in the bubbles to begin with, and it'll take a little while to get down there, so it won't work so well.
Can we demonstrate that?
I'll do it in a minute if you want. So, I take the lid off. Now, I did use this yesterday, so hopefully it'll still be alright. And we'll put the Alka-Seltzers in.
Quick.
What?
Lid.
The lid's fine, you don't need the lid.
Yes, you do.
No, you don't, because it lets the gases escape. And now, you've got the bubbles coming up. Now it should be that as they're coming up, you get the red from the food colouring going up. It's just like a lava lamp that you can buy from the shops.
It's escaping.
Looks cool, doesn't it?
Yeah, but it's escaping.
Yeah, don't panic.
Oh
Like, you've got to let it escape, otherwise
no!
it's fine. Don't worry.
No. It's about to go everywhere.
It doubles
Three,
as a volcano.
2,
It's fine.
1.
It's fine.
No, it's not.
It is.
Oh no.
Look. That's good, isn't it? Huh. Well, I was going to do something else, but I'm not sure if I can now.
Nope, we can't even put the lid on now. It's too late.
It's fine.
Nope.
That's different to yesterday. That's a lot more bubbles.
This is wrong.
It's just a little bit different to yesterday. It didn't quite bubble up so much.
Fun fact, there's a hole right next to where it's going.
Eh?
It's going straight through the hole.
No, it's not. It looks good from this bit down. Doesn't it?
You ruined
There
it.
was something else I wanted to do, but it'd get wet. I was going to put a light underneath it.
Well, you can't do that now, can you? You ruined it.
Well, I'll see in a moment. Hang on. But I don't know if it would work. Don't look at light bulbs.
I wish you would have said you're putting a light on.
Like, if I
Quick, move
turn
it.
the lights off a minute.
Oh, God, it's been... Wait, no. Which one was that? Was that my one?
Oh, just makes it all red.
Yeah, it's a bit dodgy.
Might be because of how dark I made the colouring on that one. Right,
Like I said, though, which one was that?
don't panic. I'll clean it off.
Was that my one?
What, your light?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
How? My one wasn't working.
This one is.
Can be.
I need a cloth. Never mind.
Yeah, I think a wet one would work better.
This one might have been better because the red is not so dark.
Wait, put the lid on that one now.
What, this one? Alright.
Before it erupts again.
I've got oil all over my hands now.
Now, when you experiment putting... Yeah.
Do you mind? I'm not a puppet. You don't need to move my arms for me.
You're a
Get
puppet.
off. Wait, what do you want?
So, remove this. And also experiment by putting a tablet into that. The second one.
Hang on. I told you, it gets stuck on the bubbles.
Yeah, I want to see it. You said you'd experiment with it.
Alright, I'll move that to the side a bit. Right, let me just get a... I got a problem now. Can I throw that to you? Because my hands are oily, so they're just sliding on the packet. Careful. Right, don't take a moment. They will get stuck on the bubble, so that's the only problem. Right, so we need... Take some of that away. Alka-Seltzer. Do you know what that's a bit like?
Oh.
When people get Mintos or Mentos and stick them into Coke bottles.
Quick, put the lid on. Lid.
You don't
Lid.
need the lid.
No, lid.
You don't need the lid.
Oh, that's working.
Yeah. I wonder if it would look nicer. We'll have a look in a minute when the red starts going. If
Can you
the red
put the
starts
lid
going.
on, please?
No, because the gas has got to escape. Otherwise the bottle will expand, you idiot. See, the Alka-Seltzer tablet went up now. Oh, that's nicer.
Well, we can't see because the light's on. The light's still on.
It's alright. This one glues up better. Yeah, I messed up yesterday's. It's because I was trying to do drips, but the drips kind of went a bit wrong. See? And also I might have overfilled yesterday's too, because this one's not bubbling too much. But then part of that's those bubbles that are holding it down. That looks alright, doesn't it?
Doesn't look the worst.
Yeah, hang on. Oh, crap. Hang on. Leave the light off.
You'll put 2 more in there.
No, I'll put a little bit more tablet in. Hope nobody gets a headache. We'll run out of tablets.
Lid, quick, please.
You don't need a lid.
It's another thing. Okay. No.
Looks good, doesn't it?
Said no, no.
Look at that. Quite like that.
I have one problem with it.
Yeah, it's not as good as the proper lava.
The bubble's gone up
Look
the
at
top.
that. You go out, and it's all yellow. Put that in. Nice and red and spooky. Ooh. Oh, there's the Alka-Seltzer going down.
Oh, that's 50% of it all going up.
Right, I'll get you to put the light back on. I'll take that away. So there you have it. A little bit of a fun sciencey project. You can easily try this at home.
Erupting.
It's just a small bottle filled with 1/3 of the way with water. A little bit of food colouring, not too much. You want it a little bit light. Cooking oil up from here to just underneath full. And an Alka-Seltzer tablet. And you too can make your very own lava lamp.
With adult supervision.
And if Blue Peter are watching, I am available.
Okay, that job.
Why's your mother shaking her head? Like, no.
Yeah, a tree.
Well, I reckon I could do a Blue Peter thing. Look, here's one I made earlier. Sticky back plastic. No? Oh well. Well, it looks like I'm going to be sitting behind the table with my son.
And the super bear.
Oh God, save me, Blue Peter. Anyway.
I don't think they're going to save you.
Thank you very much for watching. I've got oily hands and an oily table.
Oh no.
We are going to
The
be
resale
doing,
value of the table's gone down.
we are going to be doing some more experiments and stuff. We've got an eyeball we're going to be making next time.
Yeah, I
So
want
that'd be
out.
nice. It's a bouncy eyeball we're going to make. So keep your eyes open for that video. We're also going to be using a bottle to inflate a balloon and various other things. So for now, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Wait. Gonna kill 2 birds with 1 stone?
Only if you've got good aim and it bounces off one's head.
No.
What?
Put a balloon over this.
That wouldn't work.
Why?
It's not the right thing. There's
There's
not enough.
gas.
There's not enough in there. It wouldn't work.
We'll put 20 tablets in there then. I'm sure it'll be effective.
That wouldn't inflate a balloon. That would just mess up the whole place. And then your mother would be chasing me with a broom trying to hit me.
Why a broom?
Well, that's what people do, innit? Anyway, bye-bye.
Bye. And he's waving. And now guess where he's going?
Do you want one of these in your bedroom?
No. Now guess where he's going now?
I don't know.
Backflip.